Hey everyone, how's it going? Anthony Mastracci here from The Next Gentleman Menswear and Lifestyle blog, and today we're taking a deeper look into beard oil. What is it and why is it necessary? Now, somewhere in your bearded journey, you've come across beard oil before. No doubt for our bearded brothers out there, it's one of the cornerstone products to keep your beard nice and healthy, but have you ever asked yourself why? Now, a beard oil is a combination of carrier oils and essential oils, something like an argan oil or jojoba oil that nourish, hydrate, and maintain your beard's overall wellness. Now, a beard oil is especially important to help reduce any issues that may come up in the beard growing process. One thing to remember though is that a beard oil, it's not some magic serum that's just gonna grow a beard out of skin. It doesn't do that, and it's very important to know that. But what it does do is help maintain beard overall wellness and growth while you're in the process of actually growing it. If you have a beard, or maybe you're thinking about growing one, do you need a beard oil? Simple question. And the answer actually is no, you don't. You can grow a beard just fine without beard oil. However, when growing your beard, you can deal with itchiness, which is not great. You deal with beard drift, which is gross. And many bearded guys know if you want a hydrated, softer beard with no flyaway hairs, just use a beard oil. Very simple. And that is why beard oil is so important. Now, it's not rocket science, but I have a couple of pro tips I'm going to share with you to apply beard oil like an expert. Now, generally speaking, the hair on our beards is thicker and bushier than the hair on our heads. So we have to make sure we really get in there to give each follicle underneath the beard the love and attention that it deserves. Now, for this instance, we're going to assume that you've showered, hopefully, and used the Cremo Beard and Face Wash. I like the mint blend, but use whatever you like. And if you haven't showered, please do us all a favor. Go shower. Using the dropper in the beard oil, apply a few drops to the palm of your hand. You want to make sure to rub your hands together to warm up the oil and get it in between your fingertips. From there, apply it evenly all over your beard, even down to the skin to nourish the follicle. And as a bonus, use the Cremo Beard Brush to help spread it evenly over your beard, get down to the skin and exfoliate, and sculpt your beard just how you'd like it to be sculpted. I'm Anthony Mastracci from The Next Gentleman. Thanks for watching.
Hey!